Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media advertising specialist business. So I'm an owner of a social media advertising specialist business and I receive a lot of inquiries by my clients on WhatsApp. Now replying to them individually and manually is a very time consuming and hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this bot using Pabbly Chatflow, whenever I receive any of the inquiries by the clients on WhatsApp, automatically this bot is going to send a reply to them. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your social media advertising business using Pabbly Chatflow. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this bot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow works in real time. So I have created this bot, you can see right over here, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a question which is going to be, so this is the question I have. Hey, can you create ads for my specific business? Okay, so I'm going to send this message towards this bot right over here. So this is the reply that I've received. Hey, welcome to AdzoB, where we turn ads into results. Over here, you can see it has provided me two options: explore our services and custom ad plan. I'm going to select this custom ad plan button from here as I want to know about the ad specified for my business. It says welcome and it says we help businesses grow online with high covering Facebook, Instagram, Google ad strategies. Let's get started. What's your name? So let's suppose for the name over here, I'm going to write it as test user right here. And as I've done that, it is asking for my business. So I run a real estate business. So I'm going to send a message over here as real estate business. I'm going to send this message towards this bot. Over here it says, got it, it sound interesting. I want to run the ads on my Facebook and my Instagram. So I'm going to send this option from here. And now it is asking for the budget. My budget for the monthly budget, I'm going to select it as between 5,000 to 15,000 every month. And you can see over here it is asking for my goal. I want to get more leads. So I'm going to select this option from here. And you can see finally it is asking for my email address, which is test@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to send the email address right here. And lastly, it is asking, would you like to book a free 15-minute strategy call? I have to reply it as yes or no only. Yes, I want to book a call. So I'm going to copy the yes and paste it right over here. And you can see I have received this message after sending this yes. That is fantastic test user. Here's a quick summary of what you have shared. Real estate agency business. This is the Facebook, Instagram budget. What's the goal and the email address. Please call or WhatsApp us anytime at this number to schedule your free 15-minute strategy session. We look forward helping your real estate business grow with smart ads. You can see automatically I have received the reply from this bot in my WhatsApp right over here. And in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how you can build this bot in real time using Pabbly Chatflow without needing any coding and programming skills. In order to create this bot, we need to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow on a new tab. And you can see then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which I'm going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp message and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. In order to set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to add a WhatsApp number right here. There are two methods: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn any of these methods in order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find the videos of the methods I have added in the description box below and set up your Pabbly Chatflow account. Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log settings, under which we have multiple options. So if you want to learn about each and every Feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the videos I've added in the description box below. In order to create a new bot in Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side go to Flow and Flows section right over here. After coming to the Flow Builder page of our Pabbly Chatflow account, in order to create a new bot, click on this Add Flow button on the top right corner. As I'm going to do that, a new flow has been created, and firstly, I'm going to rename the flow, which is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for your social media advertising specialist business. Okay, so this is the name of my flow right here. After naming the flow, it says flow start. How this bot that we are creating is going to be triggered. There are three ways for it: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have added few keywords in this field and your customer sends those keywords as a WhatsApp message to your bot. This flow is going to be triggered from here. Next is choose template. So let's suppose you have selected a template from here and you have forwarded that template as a broadcast message to the list of your customers, and your customer forwards a message towards that template. This bot is going to be triggered from here. Next is regex. Regex is a short for regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. For regex, I have a special character. As soon as I'm going to add the character in this regex field, I receive any of the messages from my customers towards the bot is going to be triggered. So for the regex, for that special character, I'm going to add it right here. So this is the special character using which this flow is going to be triggered by any of the messages received from my customer towards the bot. If you want to use this special character for yourself, for your flow, you can find this character in the description box below. I've added it there. So now this bot is going to be triggered by the query from the customer on WhatsApp. Now what message should this bot forward towards my customer as I receive their query? Firstly, I want to welcome the customer. With that, I want to give an option to the customer. One is to explore the services that we provide, and second is to find the custom plan according to the business that they have. We are going to provide them this strategical plan for the advertising of their business. So now for adding this, I am going to simply from this point of flow start, drag it and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. So for the message over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message that I have. It says, hey, welcome to AdZobi. This is the name of my business where we turn ads into results. What would you like to do today? Please choose an option from below. To add an option in this message, we are going to add buttons. So I'm going to add this button. I want to add 2 buttons in this message. In a message, you can add maximum number of 3 buttons. Okay. Now I'm going to name both of these buttons, which is going to be. So these are the 2 buttons that I have: explore our services, custom ad plan. Okay. So with the help of this first button, a customer can explore the services that we provide. And the next button is custom ad plan, with the help of which we can provide a customer according to their business a ad plan. Okay. Firstly, we're going to set up the message for this explore our services. For that, simply I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message over here for the services, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message I have for the services. Here's what we offer at AdZobi. Facebook, Instagram ads, Google ads. You can see I've mentioned all the services that we provide. Want to get a custom plan for your business? So we have added a question, want to get a custom plan according to your business. So I'm going to add a button for it, and for the name of the button, I'm going to copy this name from here of the custom ad plan and paste it right over here. Okay. So now I'm going to leave this button as it is right now. I'm going to first set up the messages for this button, that is custom ad plan, in the main menu. Okay. For the custom ad plan, firstly, I have to collect the data from the customer, like what type of business it is, what is their goal, what type of services are they looking for, what is their budget, and all the other details. Okay. Firstly, I'm going to collect all the details from my customer, and then I'm going to forward a message with all the details that they have selected, and I'm going to tell the customer for wait for a while, and then over here, I'm going to also provide an option whether they want to fix a call with us for 15 minutes or not as well. Okay, so I'm going to write all the series of questions first. I'm going to first collect the data from the client who is looking for social media advertisement. Okay, so firstly, I want to ask a question from my customer. For asking a question, I have to add a question field in this flow. For that, go to actions right here, and you can see this ask question field. Drag it and drop it in this field. Okay. I'm going to ask the question. My first question is going to be, so this is my first question towards the client. Welcome to Adzobi, your social media ad experts. We help business grow with high converting Facebook, Instagram, Google ad strategies. Let's get started. What's your name? Firstly, I want to know my client's name, who I am talking to, okay? So after this question, the client is going to give me their data, like their name. Now what I want is, I want to keep the record of their name. For keeping the record, I am going to use this amazing feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom field. In contact custom field, you can add the data of your contacts custom, like their name, email and other details that you can collect, and add the data in your Pabbly Chatflow account yourself, okay? So now as they're going to tell me their name, I have created a contact custom field in the name of full name. So I'm going to add that field, that is full name, right over here, okay? So now what is the format of the reply that we are going to receive? For the format of the reply, I'm going to receive a text. So I'm going to select it as text right here. Number of attempts is going to be 1. And the validation message, I'm going to send it as error. So let's suppose a customer sends me a reply towards this message and it's not according to the selected format. They will receive the validation message of error right here. You can enter your validation message according to your requirement. Okay. So this is the first question that is going to be forwarded towards the customer if they select this button, that is custom ad plan. Now I want to connect this button to this message. Simply I'm going to drag it and connect it to the question point right here. Okay. This is the first question. In this manner, I have a next question. So I'm going to add another ask question field over here. And the question is going to be, this is my next question, that is nice to meet you, full name. As the customer is going to tell me their name after this question, the record of it is going to be created in this contact custom field. I'm going to extract the data of their name from here and add it in this message. For that, I've added the contact custom field name exactly over here, you can see. And in front of the contact custom field, I have added a $sign. So as I've added this $sign, now the name that is recorded in this field is going to be added in this message. What type of business do you run? So now it is asking for the business type. I have created a contact custom field in the name of business type. I'm going to select it. Format of the reply is going to be text. Number of attempts is 1. And the validation message over here is going to be error. Okay. So simply I'm going to connect this question with this question right here. Now in this manner, I have other series of questions as well. Okay. So I'm going to write in all the questions that I have. Select the contact custom fields. Select the format, attempts and the validation messages right over here. So these are the series of questions that I want to ask to my customer or client after this business type. First is the ad platform, on which platform they want to run the ads on. Okay, so I've added the options. Next is the budget right over here. I have provided the range of the budget that we provide the services in. Then what is the goal of the client according to the advertisement? I've added all the options right here. I've asked the email address right over here from my client as I want to share them the customized strategy plan. And lastly, I've added this last question, that is, would you like to book a free 15-minute strategy call with our expert? Reply with yes to book a call, no, just send the plan. Please reply in yes or no only. Okay. So now I have a condition after this question. If a customer replies with yes, I want to share the expert's number on which they can directly have the 15 minutes free call. And if they reply with no, I just want to send them, we are sending your plan quickly. Okay. So now as I have a condition for yes and no over here, what you can do is you can add a condition in this flow. For that, under actions, you can find this condition, drag it and drop it in this field. Okay. I'm going to connect this question to this condition right here. Now I'm going to select the condition. Condition is going to be equal. If the contact custom field, that is what? That is strategy call choice. Response of it is going to be yes. Okay. If the strategy call choice, that means this question's answer is going to be yes, then there are going to be one possibility, that is I'm going to share them a number. So if it is true, if it's equal, it is true. I'm going to simply drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. if the client sends the answer as yes, what message should be forwarded to them? So I'm going to write the message over here. So this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my client if they select the option yes for the strategy call. It says fantastic dollar full name. Here's a quick summary of what you have shared. I have shared all the details that the client has provided to me while answering all the questions. Please call or WhatsApp us on this number and schedule your 15-minute strategy session. Okay, I provided the number right over here. We look forward to helping your business type. I have to add the business type, grow with smart ads. Okay, so this is the message that is going to be forwarded if the answer is yes. That is why it is true right here. But what if the customer says no? For that, we have this false right here. I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and the message for the no over here is going to be. So this is the message for the no. No problem, dollar full name. We have noted down your details. These are all the details that the client has selected. We'll prepare your personal ad strategy and send it to your email shortly. Okay. If you have any questions or want to chat later, just message us here anytime. You can see right over here, this is the message that is going to be forwarded if the customer answer towards this strategy call choice as no. So I've added this condition in this flow here as well. Okay. So now this is the entire flow that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow for my social media advertising specialist business. Now over here, I have already told you I've added a button of custom ad plan right here. So simply I'm going to drag the point of this custom ad plan and connect it to the series of questions for this button, that is custom ad plan. So if a customer is going to select this button of custom ad plan under explore our services, they will receive all the series of questions right here one by one. Okay. So now as I have successfully connected the button, this means this bot is successfully created using Pabbly Chatflow. In order to save this bot over here, click on the save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. This means now this bot has been saved. As now I've saved this bot, what I'm going to do is I will test this bot that I've created. For that, towards this bot from my WhatsApp number, I'm going to send a query, a WhatsApp message. So this is my WhatsApp number right here, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a message that is going to be, hey, what are the services that you provide? I'm going to send this question towards this bot, and this bot has auto replied to me. You can see right here. I want to explore the services, so I'm going to select this option, and you can see this bot has replied to me with all the services that it provides. And for the custom plan, I'm going to select this option from here. Now, as I've added this condition in this flow, I've already shown you what message is going to be forwarded with the yes condition in the beginning in the example. So now I'm going to show you what is the message that is going to be forwarded with the no message as well. So I'm going to first give the answers to all the questions towards this bot. So now after answering all the questions towards this bot, this is the message that I've received for the 15-minute strategy call. So over here towards this message, I'm going to answer this question as no. I don't want to book a strategy call. So I'm going to send the message as no right here. And automatically I've received a reply. No problem, new user. We have noted down your details, business type, platform, monthly budget, advertisement goal, and my email. We'll prepare your personalized ad strategy and send it on your email shortly. So you can see this is the message that has been forwarded. The answer to the no you can see right here. Okay. So as this bot is auto-replying, this means we have successfully created this bot using Pabbly Chatflow. And that's it. Your WhatsApp chatbot is now ready to capture lead, answer questions, and even book call consultations automatically. If you want to create your own bot today using Pabbly Chatflow, you can try it out just for free. Yes, Pabbly Chatflow provides 100 free credit points every month in order for you to test and create your own test bot today. So go ahead, start building your custom bots using Pabbly Chatflow for your business. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.